The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Clay County and southeast Kentucky, northern Leslie County and southeast Kentucky, central Perry County and southeast Kentucky until 5:15 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ansley and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near and Raymond Peabody around 4:35 p.m. Jacks Creek and Bob's Fort around 4:40 p.m. Hosea and Calliope around 4:45 p.m. Hyden and Thousand Sticks around 4:50 p.m. Wendover and Wooten around 4:55 p.m. Smilax and Cinder around 5 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Airline. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Clay, Leslie, and Perry. The storm which